Hey everyone, it's Stephen Scott with the Knowles Woolsey team. Today, guys, we're here at 9 Robin Court in Barrie's northeast section of town.
That's right. Now, if you're an investor that's looking for that turnkey property with tenants already in place, you're gonna love this one. These folks have been here for 3 years, lovingly maintained it the entire time, and they would love to stay. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer that's looking to get into the market, this one's only linked it to foundation. Roof, windows, and furnace all been updated, and the location is AAA.
Absolutely it is, Scotty. We're literally a 5-minute walk to major restaurants, shopping, and pubs. And over and above that, the highway access is absolutely phenomenal. Now let's get inside and have a closer look.
This home's been incredibly well looked after, and you're gonna love the floor plan. They've utilized every square inch. We've got 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and an amazingly open concept main floor, blending that living, dining, and kitchen all together seamlessly.
This lower level space is truly a bonus, a perfect spot to sit back with the family and watch that movie, or perfect for the teenager and their gaming. Now over and above that, guys, we got a fabulous walkout to a mature treed yard. Now, Scotty, did I say these trees are mature or what?
That's right, Unc. It offers a ton of privacy back here. We're also fully fenced, which is ideal for the pets and kids. We got a full width deck back here, ideal for dining outside, not to mention just a perfect space for that outdoor fire in the summertime.
For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.